friend and Spanish teacher Ali was going home to Argentina after being in BOCAS for around a year and a half. She had never been to Bird Island, so as a last farewell, I took her and a friend out for the afternoon.
Could you bring it down for me? Take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything. Fever on your breath. We can run past all the stops. Runaways with looking up. Chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right. Soaking up the painted sky. Overhead a billion fires reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything.
Okay, so typically when I feed the boys, they're locked upstairs, so Guapo will just be howling at the door as soon as he hears me turn on the microwave. I've left the door open, so let's see if they actually come down. What are you doing?
A few minutes later.
Yay, found it! Alright, so it's Wednesday, and it's 5 to 8. I'm heading into town to grab some lumber that I ordered yesterday. They're delivering it to a little landing that it's used a fair bit, but yeah, I'm just gonna unload this, or load it up, get it unloaded. We've got volleyball later today. Bless. Alright, battery in the GoPro, check. Lumber unload, bought and unloaded, check. Guess I'll feed the kitties and have a shower, and then banana bread. Okay, here we go. All right, let's get cooking. Cup and a half of AP flour and half a cup of whole wheat, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and give it a mix. Cream together 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of butter. Add 2 eggs and mix. Mash 2 1/4 cups of banana. I usually use 4 good sized ones. Combine with the butter and eggs. Now mix everything together just so it's combined. You don't want to overmix this. Lightly grease your loaf pan. For this one, I decided to chop up some orange flavored chocolate to put on top. Pop it into a 175 degrees Celsius oven and let it bake for about 60 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. For muffins, it would take about half an hour to 40 minutes, and for mini muffins, it's about 20 minutes. This was another keeper. The orange flavored chocolate on top was just a really nice flavor. Enough fun and games, back to work.
like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos as we continue to renovate the future Sunsetter Bed and Breakfast.
Middle of the night, when the moon is high, could you bring it down for me? Take a sip of paradise.